In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a test order, Shopify. To make sure your store works end-to-end, we'll place a test order inside your Shopify admin using a draft order. This lets you rehearse the checkout experience without using a real payment. It's perfect for verifying taxes, shipping rates, discounts, and notifications. Start by signing into your Shopify admin and landing on the home dashboard. From there, go to Orders in the left menu, then switch to the Drafts view. Drafts are where you can assemble an order manually and control every detail before it becomes live. Click Create Order to open a blank draft. You'll see a workspace for products, a customer, shipping, discounts, and notes. To add items, click Browse. Choose the product you want to test, select a variant if needed, and click Add. You should now see the item listed on your draft with its price and quantity. Next, fill out the remaining details. Add or select a customer so you have a shipping address. This helps confirm taxes and shipping rates. Adjust quantities if you're testing bundles or upsells. If you want to validate pricing logic, add a discount code or a custom discount. Add shipping by selecting a rate that matches what you offer at checkout. You can also include an internal note like test order to keep your records clear. Take a moment to review the order summary so totals, taxes, and shipping look correct for your scenario. When everything looks right, click Mark as Paid. This is the key step that simulates a successful payment without a real gateway. Shopify records the order as paid, but no charge is made. If prompted, pick a manual payment method and save. Finally, click Create Order to convert the draft into a real order in your system. You'll land on the order page where you can confirm the paid status and, if it's part of your test, create a fulfillment or send yourself a confirmation. That verifies emails, paperwork, and workflows are behaving as expected. And that's it. You've created a complete test order using a draft inside Shopify. Use this process anytime you want to double-check pricing, shipping, and operational steps before you go live or run a promotion. You can repeat this with different products, variants, and addresses to cover edge cases.